So what is up, guys? Nick here, helping you to master your technology. That right there is the iPhone 12 mini, the dummy I do have on hand here. I will be covering this phone in depth, so be subscribed to the channel. Let me know which color you guys are picking up if you're going with the mini, but I have to shout out Supcase for sending this dummy unit out, as well as some of these awesome cases. Unicorn Beetles, again, if you watch my size comparisons, you already seen some of these, but they have sent me plenty of their lineup, so I will be covering the whole lineup, so stay tuned for that. But here's some Unicorn Beetles right here. You can see clear case, nice different colors. We got purple, red, black, and these are all like $12.99, so a great deal. Heading over to the iPhone 11 now. Now you can see, first of all, the whites should be a little bit different this year as well. We're going to see more of a pure white on the iPhone 12 mini versus a little bit more of a pastel-y, creamy kind of white on the iPhone 11. Now, firstly, the iPhone 11 at 6.1 inches is a much larger phone than the iPhone 12 mini. Apple is actually pushing the bigger is better kind of philosophy with the iPhone 11 series last year. You can see we do have a total of 5.94 inches tall versus the iPhone 12 minis only 5.18 inches. So look at that difference. It is monstrosity of a difference there. If you get close on these two devices, let me bring them pretty close here. Look at that difference at the top. Very large difference when it comes to holding these phones in your hand. The iPhone 11 is a big phone. I mean, if you don't got big hands, this thing's gonna feel huge. The iPhone 12 mini is more of an everyone with small hands kind of phone, or even if you don't have small hands, you just want a comfortable feel in the hand, you want to reach it on all sides, you don't have to have small hands to enjoy the 12 mini. It's a fantastic height. Now, when it comes to width, the iPhone 11 is actually much wider as well at 75.7 millimeters wide versus the iPhone 12 minis just 50 or 64.2 millimeters wide. So the width is massive as well on the iPhone 11. Look at that width difference right there. That means when you are typing on the iPhone 11 versus typing on the iPhone 12 mini, the side-to-side action is going to feel just more cumbersome for this iPhone 11 right here versus this iPhone 12 mini, where you'll be able to swipe really easily, reach everything, reach the corners. It's going to be a 1-2. You could put your thumb here, 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 here. You know, remember that iPhone 5 days? Yeah, it's going to be pretty similar to that again with the 12 mini, and having 5G is also awesome. Now the iPhone 11, because of this height and using aluminum and glass, this phone is also pretty heavy, 194 grams. You're going down to 135 grams here. This is gonna be a feather in your pocket, super lightweight, super small, super lightweight. You're gonna probably love this if you've been wanting that, waiting out for that. If you've been feeling left behind with all these big iPhones like the iPhone 11, it's gonna be great. However, you're gonna pay $699 for the 12 mini, but it's gonna have OLED display. Taking a look here at the sides though, which one is actually thinner? Now that's gonna be the iPhone 12 mini. That phone is only 7.4 millimeters thick. The iPhone 11 is actually 8.3 millimeters thick at its thickest point. So do keep that in mind. Now their design is almost identical. So if you bought the 11 last year and you just like, you know, I bought that because it was the best price, I wanna go back down in size, it's around the same price as this 11. But you can see just from this comparison right here, such a difference in overall feel from the 11. If you want the same style as the 11, but you wanted OLED, just go with the 12. That's gonna be great, or the 12 Pro. So that's it. That's a quick comparison between the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 11 right there. You can get some more angles right here. You can see the width of the device. Pretty awesome difference here. Of course, you have a much more curved design here for the iPhone 11 versus that iPhone 12 mini. But overall, I gotta say, I think if you're looking for that smaller size, you're gonna like it. If you guys found this video helpful, entertaining, informing, do me a favor, click that like button for me. Whatever you wanna see on the iPhone 12 mini and the iPhone 11, let me know down below in the comments section of this video. Thumbs up if you enjoyed it, subscribe if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the very next episode. Be sure to be well, and peace.